Dear student, welcome to the third part of chapter 8 in English classes. Here at page 60, we have reading and vocabulary. Reading and vocabulary. Here, we're going to talk about Vancouver, the best city in the world. Vancouver, the best city in the world. Number one, work with a partner, look at the map, this map, and find Vancouver. It is near the US. This is the map, this is Canada, this is the borders between Canada and the United States, and this is Vancouver, which they call it the best city in the world, Vancouver. Number two, look at the pictures. These pictures. Look at the pictures, find these things. The mountains. So here you can find mountains. Also here you can find the mountains. The sea. This is the sea, and this is the sea. The beach. This is the beach. A ferry. You know, ferry is the river bus, so you can call this ferry, and it is somewhere. So it is river bus. The ferry, a ferry. A trolley bus. This is the trolley bus. A train. Here we can see the train. A park. This is a park. This is a park. And sailing. This is the sailing. Here the sailing. And fishing. Here in this picture we can see the fishing activities. Number three, read the text about Vancouver. Write the 5 paragraph headings in the correct place. So we have these headings. Where is it? It is used already. We're going to see it now. Where to stay, when to go, what to do, how to travel, where to eat. So we have these paragraphs, and when you read the paragraph, you can put a heading on it. For example, Vancouver is in southwest Canada, next to the Pacific Ocean, 24 miles from the US borders. So when we are talking about where it is, where is it? Where is it? So we used where is it? And in the same way, we have these paragraphs. We should read the paragraph and choose the right heading for each one. For example, here, it is always a good time to visit Vancouver. The weather is never too cold or too hot. It is warm and sunny in summer, but it rains a lot in autumn and winter. So from the content of the text, we can see the heading should be when to go, when to go. So here it is when to go. It is always a good time to visit. Here in this paragraph, In spring, go skiing in the mountains in the morning and relax on the beach in the afternoon. In summer, go swimming, sailing or fishing, or go walking in, in North America's biggest park, Stanley Park. There are excellent shops in Yellowtown, and there is also theater of every sort. Vancouver is the city of festivals. So here the writer talking about the potential activities. So the heading should be what to do, what to do. Then here, Vancouver is a cosmopolitan city. So there are French, Italian, Japanese, Indian, Thai, and Chinese restaurants. Vancouver's Chinatown is the second biggest in North America after San Francisco. There is also a lot of delicious fresh seafood. So here he's talking about food and restaurants. So the heading should be where to eat, where to eat. Then in this paragraph, in the busy city center, there are some excellent expensive hotels. The beautiful Fairmont Hotel is $400 a night, but next to the sea, there are a lot of cheap, comfortable hotels from $59 a night. So he's talking about hotels and accommodations. So the heading should be where to stay, where to stay. Then in this paragraph, you don't need a car in Vancouver. There are slow old trolley buses and there is the fast modern sky train. Take the ferry. It is a great way to see the city. So here he's talking about transportation. So the heading should be how to travel, how to travel, how to travel. Now number 4, answer the questions. Question number 1, where is Vancouver? Where is Vancouver? As we read before, Vancouver is in the southwest Canada, in the southwest Canada. Number 2, when is a good time to visit? When is a good time to visit? It is always a good time to visit Vancouver. It is always a good time to visit Vancouver. Number 3, does it rain a lot? When? It does rain a lot at autumn and winter. It does rain a lot in autumn and winter. Number 4, what do people do in the mountain? Skiing, on the beach, relaxing, and Stanley Park, walking. Number 5, what water sports are there? There are swimming, sailing, and fishing. Swimming, sailing, and fishing. Number 6, why are there so many kind of restaurants? Why are there so many kinds of restaurants? Because Vancouver is a cosmopolitan city, which means it is a multicultural city. People from different countries from around the world living in Vancouver. Number 7, are all the hotels expensive? How much are they? The hotels in the busy city centers are expensive and it reach $400. But the hotels near the beach is a very good, comfortable hotels, and it is cheap. You can you can find a room for $59. Number 8, what is a good way to see the city? You can use the ferry, which is the river bus, to see the city. Now, number 5, complete the chart with adjectives from the text. So in this text, we have adjectives, and we need to add the adjectives next to the noun. For example, the city is busy and cosmopolitan. The mountains, spectacular. The beaches, beautiful. The shops and restaurants, excellent. The weather, warm and sunny. The seafood, delicious and fresh. The hotels, excellent and expensive. And also there are some cheap hotels. The trolley buses, slow and old. The sky train, fast and modern. So this is the end of part number 3, and then in another video we're gonna start with the last part of chapter 8 to finish the last part of our duty this week.